Hey guys, so I got 2 orders that came in. I really want to see what this is, but I'm gonna see what this is first. Well, yeah, I know what that is. Anyway, let's take a look at this one. I need a little happy today because I had to go to a funeral today. Oh, okay. I had forgot that I did this one. Okay, so I had thought that I was going to be through with my little Star Wars collection, but I decided that I couldn't stand it, that I wanted these last 2. Well, not the last. Like, I didn't get the girl. What is her name? Jen or Ren or something. But anyway, I didn't get her. I didn't think her. Oh, and I didn't get Yoda. I never thought Yoda was cute. I don't think his pen is cute. So I didn't get either one of those. But these 2 are the only other ones that I didn't have besides Yoda and the girl. Ray. That's her name. So, and you would think her being the star, that her pen would be really cute. It's not. Like, I was a little disappointed with Darth Vader's pen. Alright, so let's take a look at this. I think this is this the Death Star? Yeah, so this is the Death Star. And so I thought, it looked cuter online. But anyway, I thought that I would go ahead and get this one. Okay, and then I got all the ones I wanted. Isn't that cute? I think it looked more dynamic online, but it's still cute. Let's see. Let's take a look at the cap and the top of it. And then we can look at the body. Let's see. So I thought I would go ahead and get this one. And then let's take a look at the nib. It's nice. It's a medium. All right. Now the thing about Sheaffers is that they seem to always be reliable. Sheaffers and Sailors, they're not my favorite, but when I pick them up, they're right. Even if I haven't used them in a while. I haven't had any hard starts or anything. All right. And then, let's see what this one, I can't remember which one this one is. So this one gets his, oh yeah, Darth Maul. I liked his character. It's too bad he was only in like one of them, I think. Now his is like one of the best looking pens to me. Him and Kylo Ren, like they did the villains better. So let's see. I think that one's really cute. I like the design on this one. Okay. Then take a look at the nib. Kind of plain. And let's see, I think these should come with. Oh, they don't. You have to use a... Alright. Thought I heard something. I didn't bend something. Okay. Alright, so I'm done now with that. Yep. Ink cartridge. That's fine. I may never even use it. We'll see. All right. So that's that. And then we will get to this one. Let's cut it now here. Oh, so I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's really nice. Okay. I got a blue packet. It's really nice. Ooh, I get two little pen cases. Very, very nice. All right. So, I got an email saying that this new pen was available. And even though I keep saying, okay, I'm pretty good on pens now. When I saw this one, I'm like, oh, I gotta have that one. I mean, I went directly and ordered it. And so while I was there, I was like, well, I've been wanting this one for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. But let's do this first. So, I have a few of these packages now. I like this blue. Very, very pretty. It's like my favorite kind of blue. I think that is a cobalt blue. That's what I know that as. Let's see. And so you get the letter about their story. And then you get a refreshing towel, and I have yet to open one of these. Get the tea. And then the coffee. I did try one of these. And then we get the code. And I almost, there have been times I forgot to use the code. And then you, so they've been giving you stickers lately, which that is nice. Evil eye. Oh, so I guess I don't get the evil eye this time. When I get the stickers, and I get these. So that's nice. And then you get a postcard. Really, really cute. I really like those colors. That's nice. And, you know, over there they had that earthquake. So I was wondering if they were okay. But you go to their website and they say that they didn't have any, it didn't impact them. And then they have a way for you to donate. Alrighty. Okay. And then I thought what was amazing is that someone, I think a couple of people survived for 12 days. That's amazing. All right. So this is the pen that I really, really like. I didn't even know this was on the horizon. Heard no buzz about it. But then when I got the email, I'm like, oh, gotta have that. So let's see. So it is a Narwhal. And it is like my favorite color, blue. So, isn't that pretty? That is so dynamic. I love it. So like I said, I went and got it right away. Ordered it right away. And it got here pretty fast. I want to say it's been maybe like a week or two. And then you have blue down here. There's a piston filler, and then look at the nib. Very nice. I love that they colored the nib that color. Sorry, I was trying to get it clearer. It's not going to get clearer. It doesn't look like. Let's see. Okay. Very, very pretty. And this blue accent is just really, really pretty. I love it. And I feel something. I can't see what that is, but I feel something on there. Okay. All right. So I thought that I would share that. And then, since I was making an order anyway, I went ahead and picked up this pen rest. And I debated over this one or the one that looks like a nib, a wooden nib. And I just went ahead and got this one. I thought it was a little more practical. Thought the wooden nib was cute, but it's only made for one. And so I went ahead and, I thought this was bigger. But it's nice. So you got some little plastic feet on there. I guess that's brass. I'm not sure. And then you have the wooden piece. And then that's how I'm gonna do it. While I'm like writing or whatever, I don't have to like worry about it being on the desk and rolling around and I can't find it and all that kind of stuff. So, and I can have up to 3 of them at a time. All right, and so that is how I plan to use that. And super excited that I got. I guess this is the Crazy Horse leather. I guess this is probably the honey. Cause I don't think this is the undyed. And then I really like this blue. Really, really pretty. And those were absolutely free. All right, that is all I had to share today, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.